Let's make an Italian biscotti or biscotti. Crisp biscuit. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel. Joss Moses Kitchen. Flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, combine well. We can add the eggs. Add more eggs in between. Add vanilla extract. Add melted butter. Let's transfer to a clean surface. I am using here almonds, cranberries, pistachio and pecan, a combination of all. If you don't have, you can use whatever you have at home. Make sure you cut the almonds, pistachio, cranberries and apricot into small dices. Now we add apricot, cranberries, pistachios, almonds, and let's make the dough. Same how we do for the pie crust. Divide the dough into 4. Make the dough. Lay the dough on a lined parchment paper tray. Place in the oven. Let's remove from the oven. And let it cool down. Let's cut into 1-inch thick pieces. And lay it on a tray. Let's bake in the oven. Let's remove from the oven. Let's flip it. place back in the oven. Let's remove from the oven. Italian biscotti is ready. I already started eating. It's very tiny piece now. Crispy, crunchy. Flavors from almond, pistachio. A perfect biscotti. If you like this recipe, please try it. And if you like it, share it. Comment it. Your comments makes me perfect. And when you eat, how you eat? Josh Moses Kitchen way. Enjoy and eat. And don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. Bye.